Hello, in this video I would like to show you how LED driver can be used on the LCD screen that already equipped with their LED strips. Well, this is MS456, this is MS610. They both are designed to be used with our LED strips. And again, it also can be used on the LCD screen. They already have their own LED strips, but does not have a built-in drivers. So for example, let me tell you the part number structure first. I printed out here, hopefully you can see a little bit easily. So the first part was representing type of the connectors on your LED screen. This is the connector that it comes with the drivers. So this part number you can easily find it on LCD screens and specifications. So first part representing the type of the connectors. Second part, this would be representing the output current per string or per channel on the LED strip. This one particularly limited to 110 milliamperes. It's using the MS456UB. This one's limited to 27 ampere per string. It depends on which LCD screen it is. So this is using the MS610UB. So let me give you examples here. For this one, when you purchase it, it comes with the screen. 6-pin pigtails, wire adapters. One end connect to this end, or either end, that's fine. Let me give you a sample, because this one is actually can drive this NEG screen NL6448BC26-20F. So because this one's a LED, the LED connectors right here. See, you just basically just connect here, and then you connect this one. Then you just connect to your existing wire harness. And another example I want to show you is for this one. This one also comes with the drivers, okay, and wire harness and this type of connector. We should drive 22-inch Samsung display. For example, this is the Samsung display. So here we go. 22 inch is a big one. It's LTM220MT12. So basically, the connector is here. You see this? And you just put it in, connect the drivers. So if you have an LCD screen that have an LED strip and you can find the drivers, and yeah, you should check out our site, because we try to recently we tried to list all this LED strip specification on our website. And if you go to store.lcdparts.net, you should be able to find it. So in case if you have a screen and does not have a driver, come with driver, then give us a call or shoot us an email. We should be able to help you out, because we have quite a different type of connector for the current LCD screen that equipped with its original LED strips. Thank you for watching.